Hello everyone. Today we are going to explore a beautiful and simple trigonometric identity. We want to find the value of the product of tangent from 1 degree all the way to 89 degrees. At the first glance, this may look complicated, but as we will see, the answer is actually simple. Here is our problem. We need to evaluate the product of tangents values from 1 degree to 89 degrees. That's 89 factors. Some of these tangents are very small and some are very large. But instead of reaching for a calculator, let's look for a pattern. The key is to think about the complementary angles. Pause for a moment and think. What happens when we multiply tangent of angle with the tangent of its complements? We can see that, okay, the product is the P is the product of the tangent K from 1 to 89. The key inside is a tangent of 90. 90 minus theta is equal to cotangent of theta is equal to 1 divided by tangent of theta. This is the simple identity and famous identity. So we can write the tangent of 89 is equal to cotangent of 1 degree is equal to 1 divided by tangent of 1. Tangent of 88 is equal to cotangent of 2 degree is equal to 1 divided by tangent of 2. Tangent of 87 is equal to cotangent of 3 is equal to 1 divided by tangent of 3. And tangent of 46 is equal to cotangent of 44 is equal to 1 divided by tangent of 44. And although we know that the tangent of 45 degrees is equal to 1. So we can, we can see that tangent of 1 multiplied tangent of 89 is 1 because the tangent of 89 is equal to cotangent of 1. So the tangent of 1 and multiply the cotangent of 1 degree is equal to 1. Tangent of 2 multiplied tangent of 88 is equal to 1. So the product is tangent of 1 multiplied tangent of 89, tangent of 2 multiplied tangent of 88. So 1 multiply tangent of 44 multiplied tangent of 46 and finally multiply tangent of 45. Using the identity that tangent of 90 minus theta is equal to cotangent of theta is equal to 1 divided by tangent of theta, we can write the tangent of 1 multiply tangent of 89 is equal to tangent of 1 multiply 1 divided tangent of 1 is equal to 1 because the both tangent cancel each other. Tangent of 2 multiply tangent of 88 is equal to tangent of 2 multiply 1 divided by tangent of 2 is equal to 1. And so on, tangent of 44 multiplied tangent of 46 is equal to tangent of 44. Multiply 1 divided by tangent of 44 is equal to 1. And after we had the tangent of 44, 5 is equal to 1. And finally, every pair multiplies to 1. So we can write that the product of the expression is 1 divided by 1 divided level 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1. 44 is repeated and multiplied 1. And finally, the final result is 1. Deposit adding 89 factor, the product collapses to exactly 1. No complicated formula needed. It is very simple. And finally, we can add the general identity for any positive integer n. The product of tangent of kp divided by 2n, k from 1 minus n minus 1 is equal to 1. We can split this distance and write the product of tangent of kp divided by 2n t from 1 to n minus 1 is equal to product of k from 1 to n minus 1 divided by 2 tangent of kp divided by 2n multiplied tangent of n minus kp divided by 2n. All multiplied by tangent of p divided by 4. And then we can rewrite it the product of k from 1 to n minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to tangent of kp divided by 2n multiply cotangent of kp divided by 2n multiplied by 1. We know the inside the bracket is equal to 1, so the product of k from 1 to n minus 1 divided by 2, 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1. So, final answer, the result of tangent of 1 multiplied tangent of 2 degree, tangent of 3 degree, and so on, tangent of 89 degree is equal to 1. The final answer is 1. It's beautiful, simple, and also we can comparison the tangent versus sine. In previous video we proved that the product sine car k from 189 is equal to a small number 1.53 multiplied 10 power minus 26. But the tangent product k from 1 to 89, tangent k is equal to 1. Why the difference? This exact reciprocal relationship causes perfect cancellation. Because in tangent, the different terms cancel each other. Tangent entity is much stronger than sine identity. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.